na ni Vakadhambesinga and Outspalangi show.
Right, and a good morning to Meli Netherlebu and the family. Not forgetting Hector Zing Jr. Thank you very much from Oaklandi.
Oh, right,
Tempa
the staff.
Zone.
Staff ni Tempa Zone Limited.
Seta Tuloboni,
Right.
Stephen Lee, Muhammad Khan Junior Zing. Thank you very much for the accomplishment this morning.
Oh.
Not forgetting everyone in the bus, in the taxi. Atukurmundu is leaving.
Yes.
Is going to Navua for the jobbing to there. To Mini Shukaratambua, good morning to you and the family this morning. Not forgetting everyone. Sheru to Inrabutu and Rabinaka, and also to Losana Salome Maria Junior Mbetekasa. Datungon Ngunuti. Thank you very much for your good morning today.
Oh, right. A very good morning to Ermasi Siko as well, and the family, the kids, tuning in from Vagativa village in the Kaunrobe this morning. Okay. There's a few love letter here that I am going to, that you are going to have to translate.
Right.
All right. English and in Fijian, yeah?
Okay.
All right.
LM69, Tony Balum Bulabenaka, John Kumar, Bulabenaka, Baby Domoni.
Oh!
Yeah.
Bulabenaka bai. Not every flower can say love.
Esanga ni sini kaukede, endo bangata kemera tukuna nandomo.
But a rose can.
Iya na rosinga erawani tukuna.
Not every plant survives a thirst.
Esanga ni ndaw karamada kede na bebuni kau.
But a cactus can.
Huh?
But a cactus can.
Endua nga erawa sa iko ako mbulutu na desert.
Not every retard can read.
Esanga ni wira tawda orang da wili era ni wili ka.
But look at you.
Ready komanda.
Go little buddy.
Iko kalilay.
I don't care if you leak windows.
Au sinibia ka wita ka kepoka kondondola isong.
You hang in there, cupcake.
Iko lili tukere baka ndona kekimbulangi.
Because you are special to me.
Iko sawinaka via.
Sabinaga. Look at you smiling at a piece of paper.
Ready ko niyo wanda tuma nando na rani beba. Je na timbi wen rami na to. Totolo no ayaw sabi apande kere.
Okay, dear husband.
Wele na watingulo mani katale nungutse.
Okay, yo mabiti ani.
Mai.
Na dama manda na buni no musanga ni via kania na bai kabi au baka sangara.
I don't know why you never eat. You wanna allow yourself to eat the dinner I cook.
O talita na likania na kakana na to wale o tinai serupi.
You like tinay syrupy mama.
Okay, sanga ni talita na kania na kakana au baka sangara.
You don't want to eat the food I kukang?
Aku kaga.
May nalini mo tolo sabi abante wano.
Rongo dia usar maike.
Listen to me.
Na nomo do songo.
Your opinion.
Au sala sanga ni bia baka itabikina.
I will never allow myself to give an injury time of my life.
Rongo dia usar baka binaka.
Listen to me.
Na yote ninga una au na mutuka kina na nomo do wale.
The last time I will step on your house.
Au sala sanga talwando ningi bia ngaraba ndo na songo me nomo.
I will never allow myself to raise up my hands on your village life.
Na nomo sa sanga ni baka marau takiao.
When the time you disappoint myself.
Okay. Au sala sanga talanga ni na baka nirto binaka na lubemo.
Oh my gosh, what's wrong with you, mama? What's wrong with you? Christmas is away. May bola.
Okay. Rongo dia usar baka binaka. Okay. Tamay penioni.
Oh, Daddy the Benyan.
Binaka ba lebu na nomundo lomanyao.
Thank you very much for your love.
Binaka ba lebu na nomundo Polia na kiengu baka kabi.
Thank you very much for buying my secret food.
Iya na sing ni sudongo.
In this Christmas,
Au na binakata mona polia.
I want you to buy.
Endo na nogu iPhone.
Mobule be ndo na nungu talibun.
Pulebi ndo na iPhone. Balat mo ranit teo. Tampa ki uchinga kina uchika ni bale.
Mundo tamba I want you to take a selfie when you are alone at home.
Okay, love is like the sweetest emotion of lifestyle.
Nantontomo e bakatu indone wale nimbula na vuruvurungo na kena kamida.
And loving you possesses made me sense this sweet emotion.
Ni undomoni ko sa bakang undola na tangapate taimbini tu kina naparasa.
Your love takes me to another world.
Ni ko nabindo mo ningo e bakang andaru tayang bitu na dala ni bula.
Where where I am not really me.
Bakang usyo ni bakila yautu ni untontomo tu.
Wait, actually, you take pleasure in similar to ecstasy.
Wele, roma viau. Na pala si tiki o koto tumayin ko sa bakang gabi o sa bakang kakada tu.
Where you will be the queen of my heart.
Ego na may ranandi ni nongumbula.
You take pleasure in the spice of my entire life.
O kau tadi tu na tanga pala stika kina nongumbula todo ko.
And I simply love you the way you are.
Apa kau ndo moni kondi na may loma saranga.
Wile. You are my heart's greatest treasure.
Eko bakatu na nongu uto e mbinitu kina na tanga pateta.
And my soul's deepest comfort.
E bakanga endo ilovi au tu endo ne tutuvi ningona ni mata.
Your love has shown me what it means to truly be alive.
Na bindo mo ningo e bata kila kina na bimbi ni bindo mo ni mendambulutiko.
With you, I feel seen,
Litiko batike ko bakanga ulorai.
valued,
Bakanga u valuti.
and cherished.
Bakatalaga veo meu chiataki.
Thank you for being my light.
Oh, thank you. Binabale usara ni ko may nagurarama.
In the darkness,
E nabuno ang buto-buto
and my
kinang.
joy in every moment.
E ubakila talangani kami labi ng bulan ni otiko.
I love you more than words can say.
Au sangay via bat kunang gobe ko nindo moni ko may nanrayulungo e dolo kingetengete ni abangwera.
And I will spend the rest of my life with you.
Au nawasewa tanang gumbula bat kay nongune kay nongo momo.
Rest in peace.
Oile usangay utipo kan dobila.
Yo! Yan manaka salia talabon lux rakuado yan manaka AJ Zatimbiu. Tombule manaka yan manaka.
Wani binabi kumino kanta John Kumar boleh benaka be salieta. Matakani kuan dindio na bunan dapat tokar bol mekina. Morta itu na singan dendai atu yang oleh sumbutan nabu na buni bengarabi. Lai zakadakino atu akerau tongamen na biokarierua. Na matakani kuah hat like siya takan nonta live na matabi na ni kuah. Na bitu kur binani punjas